What's up, everybody? Alexander, the Day Trading Champion. In this video, we're going to go over one easy trade you can take today. Guys, this is a high probability setup that has been forming for months now, and I'm so excited to finally take advantage of this opportunity. It's a very simple trade. I guarantee you by the end of this video, you could probably explain it to your grandmother and she would be able to make money off of this. So with that being said, I don't want you to miss out on this opportunity. Watch the full video all the way through so you don't miss out on any important details that you do need to know. With that being said, the stock that we will be trading today is BYND, Beyond Meat, and I have to say that it is beyond me that there are people who aren't aware of this trade, because this is going to be a very high probability win here. Let's get right into the chart. Now guys, if you don't know how to read charts, just don't worry about it. Just subscribe to the channel. You'll learn a lot here for free. And with that being said, I'm just going to give you a quick brief rundown on what we see here, and I will highlight the very important key points that we're going to go over. Alright, so we got a cup and handle here, and not only is this just like a short-term cup, but it's actually a 3-month cup with a 3-week handle, which gives the trade a much higher probability win rate, because it's not just some little intraday cup and handle, right? This is a chart pattern that's been forming for a long time, which really confirms the true formation and true price action of the stock. All right, so on top of that, we got accelerated volume as we approach the top of this handle. Oops, that was an alarm. And then we got accumulation distribution, right? We got accumulators coming in, positive MACD. Everything looks beautiful here. This is exactly what you want to see on a breakout, right? Accelerated by volume. This is the most important indicator you could ever use on a pattern like this that's been forming, right? Is this crazy volume spike we get since, the biggest volume we've got since June, all right? So take advantage of this, all right? That just gives us huge confirmation leak going into this trade. All right, now what I will say is pre-market, you don't see a crazy volume, all right? But here's the thing, it's not moving up on low volume, all right? So this is actually giving us more meat on the bone. And if you're scared to take a loss, right, if you want to increase your chances to win, all right, and you only got one trade, all right, you got one trade to take, then this is what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to wait for confirmation that we're using this line as support, all right? But I would highly recommend that you actually, if you have multiple day trades, or you can, you're willing to take a little loss if you need to, for the benefit of securing the greater gain, all right, then you're going to want to buy some right at the open, all right? If we open here and it's just a little above the support, buy some at the open. Why? Because look what happened yesterday, right? We're getting accelerated buy volume, all right, and this thing just rips up at the open, all right? So you don't want to miss out on that. So that's why I highly recommend that if you have multiple day trades, don't be afraid to buy some at the open. But ultimately, for risk management, you're going to want to buy some at the open, and you're going to want to buy more at the confirmation that we are using the line as support, and we're going to stay above it today. All right, so super easy trade. And here's the thing, I see a lot of beginner traders make the mistake of, if your target price or your target exit is 175, you're getting the 175 strike. Guys, that's not what you want to do. All right, what you want to do is, if your target is 175, you want to go with the 172.5s or the 170s. Okay, and if your target's 180, you want to go with 175s. You don't want to get the same strike as your exit. Okay, that's where a lot of people mess up. Now, here's what I will say, is that this is such a good setup. This is one of the times where this stock could shoot up for the races. It could go up to 180, 190 in just a matter of days. So if you're a scalper and you're scared and you just want to take a little bit of profits right away, right? This is one of our risk management strategies we went over in the past. Then you're going to want to take some profits right away at this topping level. Okay, but with that being said, I would limit that profit taking to only about 25% of your position size. Keep the rest rolling, guys. This is such a good setup. And with that being said, let's fully take advantage of it. All right, so easy trade today. Be on the lookout for accelerated buy volume, and on top of that, what you need to be looking out for is the dollar, right? Is the dollar breaking down? If the dollar is breaking down, that's good for the market, right? And then second thing, you want to be looking at the futures. Are the futures bullish? That's just going to be further confirmation that Beyond Meat is going to be bullish, right? And then VIX. Is the VIX breaking down? If the VIX is breaking down, it continues to make lower lows, then this is for sure, that just increases your chance. All right, so alone, without looking at those indicators or those factors, right, if you're just looking at BYND right now, I'd say we got an 80% probability of a breakout higher. All right, so make sure, obviously I can't hold your hand through the trade, but make sure you know what you're doing if you are going to trade it, right? But it's a very good setup, and even if you're a beginner, you can take advantage of it. All right, so with that being said, this is the daily trade for today. I hope you take advantage of it. I hope you come back and let me know how much money you make today. All right, if this formation does decide to break out today. All right, if it doesn't break out and things start to dwindle down, don't be afraid to take back your position. All right, there's gonna be plenty more opportunities coming. So with that being said, I'm Alexander, the day trading champ. I can't wait to see you back here, and hopefully you have your notifications on, because that's probably how you seen this video in the first place. All right, if you don't have your notifications on, then you probably aren't going to see this video before the market opens. So I highly suggest that you get the notification bell turned on so you see videos like this, daily winning trading ideas, before the market opens. I'm Alexander, the day trading champ, and I'll see you guys in the next video.